Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're tackling how to remove Experian inquiries in 2025. If you've ever noticed your credit score taking a hit after applying for a loan or credit card, it's likely due to hard inquiries on your Experian report. Don't worry. I'm here to guide you through this step by step, making it simple and straightforward. Let's dive in. First, what exactly are Experian inquiries? Experian is one of the big three credit bureaus, and inquiries are records of when lenders or others check your credit. There are two main types: hard inquiries, which come from applications like mortgages or loans and can lower your score for up to 2 years, and soft inquiries, like when you check your own credit or get pre-approved offers. These don't affect your score. In 2025, new regulations make it easier to dispute and remove unauthorized or inaccurate ones, so this is the perfect time to clean up your report. Step 1. Start by getting your free credit report. Head to annualcreditreport.com or Experian's official website to download it. This is crucial because you need to see what's on there. Step 2. Carefully review the report for any inquiries that seem wrong. Look for ones you don't recognize or that might be from fraudulent activity. Step 3. If you spot an issue, dispute it right away. You can do this online through Experian's portal, which is the fastest method, or by sending a letter with details. Be sure to include your personal info, the inquiry in question, and why you think it's inaccurate. Step 4. Back up your dispute with evidence, like account statements or letters from the creditor, to strengthen your case. Step 5. After submitting, monitor the process. Experian typically has 30 days to investigate, and they'll update your report accordingly. If it's not resolved, follow up persistently. Remember, you can't remove legitimate hard inquiries, but disputing errors is your best bet for a healthier credit profile. By 2025, with updated tools and consumer protections, this process is more user-friendly than ever. There you have it. Simple steps to take control of your credit. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more financial tips, and let me know in the comments if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.